Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make chicken paprikash. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a favor, head down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make chicken paprikash or chicken paprika. So let's drop down into our ingredients and see what we've got going on here. We have got about 4 chicken thighs, deboned and deskinned. I got some kosher salt and pepper that we're going to use on that. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of Hungarian paprika, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Well, we have 1 tablespoon of the chicken base that we're going to use to make the chicken broth. Then 3/4 of a cup of sour cream that we're going to do. Let's start doing our prep. Alright, little prep we've got. We just got to dice our onion up, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, we got our onions all diced up. I'm going to set those off to the side. We got our chickens here. I'm going to go ahead and hit them with some salt and pepper. Glove up, flip them over. Deglove and do it all again. Alright, let's head over to our stove. Alright, as you can see, we've got our mise en place with everything we need right there next to our pan. I'm going to go ahead and move our pan down and set up our shot. And let's start cooking. We got the pan, medium high to medium heat. Got our butter and our oil. Okay, so we've got the bubbles going with the butter. Nice and frothy. That's about the time. Let's add our chicken thighs in here. Now we don't have skin on here, so we're not going to put these skin side down. We're just going to get it to where they're browned on both sides really well. Then we're going to take them off and we're going to start making our sauce in here. Let's let these brown up. Let it go about 7 minutes on each side. Go ahead and flip them over. Repeat the same thing. We're not cooking them all the way through because we are going to add them back into the sauce. Once we pull them out, create our sauce, we'll put the chicken back in and we're going to cover that and let that cook until they're thoroughly cooked all the way through. Just get a nice glaze on the outside to get a head start. Okay, we've got a nice color on each side. We'll go ahead and take these out of the pan. Then we're going to turn the pan down just a little bit. Go ahead and add our onions in here. We're just going to cook these down until they're translucent. Alright, they're cooked down to where we want them to be, and now we can add the garlic into this. Mix that all up. This smells fantastic. Alright, since that garlic's already kind of softened, I'm just going to cook. Wow, it smells really good. Add our paprika. Stir that all up. I love the way it changes color like that. And we add our flour in there. Stir that up. Fragrance is amazing. You let this cook a little bit, get that flavor of the flour out of there. All right, now I got our cup of water here for our broth. I'm just going to go ahead and add our chicken base to it. The recipe is in the description box. Mix this up. Go ahead and stir this one more time before we add the chicken base, or chicken stock. Oh, there we go. We'll bring this to a boil. Now I have our egg noodles right there. That's what we're going to use for this, but you can use rice, brown rice, quinoa, put it on mashed potatoes. You can put a baked potato with this, whatever kind of starch you want to use, or grain, but egg noodles is usually what it's paired with. So we've got some bubble action going on in here, starting to thicken up. I'm going to go ahead and add our tomatoes, our crushed tomatoes. Stir this all up really well. Now we're going to reintroduce our chicken back into this. So go ahead and put our lid on there. Let this go for about a half an hour on about a medium-high heat. I will be flipping the chicken in there and making sure it's covered with sauce so everything turns out really well. But let's just let this cook. All right, pull this off. Let's see, our chicken should be fully cooked by now. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take our sour cream and put it right into the middle. Then we can just gently stir this in. Take our chicken and help stir it up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to let this go just a little bit longer. I'm going to temp the chicken breasts to make sure they're done. Then we're going to plate this up, make it look awesome. Take some photos of it for social media. Throw those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste it. Don't go anywhere. Alright, well, this smells and looks delicious, so let me just get a little bite off of here and give it a taste. That onion, that paprika, the tomatoes, everything makes it. You think chicken paprikash, you think hot, spicy. It's not hot at all. It's savory. The sauce has got that pureed tomato flavoring to it, but it's cut with that paprika. And the onion and the garlic in there make it just an incredible flavor. Well, thanks a lot for watching today. We made chicken paprikash. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourself. God bless. We'll see you next time on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.